All right, gang, so this is a little video giving you pointers and tips on the highlights that I like to hit with foam rolling. So start out about mid-back, right below the shoulder blades. Kind of hug yourself, and you're gonna roll to the tops of the shoulders, to the neck area, and back down. Give it a good 5 to 8 passes, and if you find something that has like a catch or feels a little tight, you stay in that area for a little bit and kind of work it in. Then we're going to roll on our side, and remember, this is a small movement, just the lats here on the back side of the arm, and you just kind of slide yourself up and back down. Then you do the other side, same thing. Then we're going to go ahead and move down to our hips. Remember, I don't do a lot of low back rolling, but if it feels good to you and you do want to do it, you can incorporate that, but keep yourself curled forward, keep your core tight, and then roll like this. You don't want to lay over the roller sprawled out, putting your lumbar back into extension. So the next thing we're going to do, move down to our hips. You're going to cross your ankle at your knee and lean towards the knee that's up. And just kind of dig in there. And again, if you find a spot, you're going to stay there and just kind of move and wiggle a little bit just to kind of get a deeper stretch. Then we're going to rotate. Same thing on the other side. So as you can see, the knee that's up, you're leaning to that side. Then we're going to drop down. You're going to roll from the bottom of your butt to the back of your knees, like so, just kind of walking your body. If you need a little more pressure, put one leg on the other. That puts all that body weight on the back of that one leg. Then we're going to go on the side of the leg, kind of the IT band area. So top leg comes in front, and then we're rolling the side. Again, you're going to roll over and do it on the other leg, getting the side. Then we're going to do the fronts of our thighs from the top of the knee down up to the pelvis and the groin area. Get those nice and good. And then lastly, do not leave out the calves. So you can start with just moving both calves together at the same time. Or again, if you're ready for some more pressure, kind of put one leg on the other and roll around nice and good. Down in the calves, you can find some knots. So when you find a knot, just kind of sit on it and move back and forth a little bit. If you need something to give you a little bit more work, you can always grab a lacrosse ball too and find some spots and work it. I'm sure we'll get to doing that sometime in our training.